Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Nissan Rogue. To begin, ensure your intelligent key is inside the vehicle. Press the brake pedal firmly, then push the engine start/stop button to power on your Rogue. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for a clear view of your surroundings. Also, get comfortable with the steering wheel controls and the information displayed on your dashboard. This ensures a safe and confident start to your journey. Once the engine is running, move the shift lever to D for drive to begin moving forward. When backing up, select R for reverse and the rearview camera will assist you. For challenging terrains or when towing, L for low gear provides enhanced control. Your Rogue also offers various drive modes, such as Eco for fuel efficiency, Standard for everyday driving, and Sport for a more dynamic experience. Choose the mode that best suits your current driving needs. The Nissan Rogue is equipped with several advanced features to enhance your driving experience and safety. Pro Pilot Assist can help with steering, acceleration, and braking on single-lane highways. For parking, the Intelligent Around View Monitor provides a virtual 360-degree bird's-eye view. Additionally, safety systems like blind spot warning and lane departure warning help you stay aware of your surroundings, while automatic emergency braking offers an extra layer of protection. To park your Nissan Rogue, bring the vehicle to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Once stationary, shift the gear selector to P for park. For added security, especially on inclines, engage the electronic parking brake by pulling up the switch. Finally, press the engine start/stop button to turn off the engine. Remember to always check your surroundings before exiting the vehicle, ensuring a safe and complete stop.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.